Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're doing a video. It's going to be super quick, I believe, and I think it's more of a community video where everyone can help. So I got a message from Sharon Miller 2 days ago. It says that could I do a video showing how to use embossing and layering the plastic sheets for the die cutting. I also see many different ways. I just bought a mini machine. I also have a Go Baby fabric cutter and wondering about the type of layering plastic sheets I'd need to use for that larger die cut. Thank you so much. I think I can answer the first question about how to die cut with the plates. Well, the way that I do it. I know lots of people do it many different ways, which is why I think this is more like a community question. So I'm going to make this video and then everyone in the community just go ahead and respond to it and give Sharon Miller as much information as possible so that she can be successful. If any of you have a baby, well, what was it called? I turned off my phone, hold on. A baby fabric cutter, if you guys could help her with that also, that would be awesome. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to show my plates. I'll show the mini plates in the big Empress. So it's gonna go in the Empress, the big Empress or the mini Empress, the exact same way. So when I show my mini plates, I will be showing them in the big Empress. All right, enjoy. For this video, I wanna start with the plate systems that I have. I have the mini plate system, the regular plate system, and the large plate system here. And all of them, I put my plates together the exact same way. So I will move these out of the way. I start with my plastic A plate here, and then I put down a metal shim, my magnetic mat. These also have letters on them, so this is the D plate. So this one has an A, D, and it says metal shim right on it. The magnetic mat is B, and it says magnetic mat. And then my other A plate goes right on top. So for all of my plates, they are the exact same. The plastic A plate, the D metal shim, the B magnetic mat, and the other A plate. And I did the same for this one. So it's just plastic, metal, metal, magnetic, and plastic. For what we're about to do right now, I am going to use the mini plate, and I haven't used my alphabet dies hardly. I did use them one time, and so I'm gonna pull out Anna's alphabets, numbers, and punctuation. This is the information sheet that goes along with that, and this is all what you get. My camera is a little higher for this video so that you guys can see the plate system. And so here's some of the numbers and punctuation. I'm just going to take one of these. This is die cut and bond, and it's a double-sided adhesive sheet. I'm going to use this on the back of the paper. I'm going to lay this down on the table, and I'm going to place this right on the top of this. And then I'm gonna take my scissors and cut out just where the paper is. Some people use special scissors for that because they don't want sticky on their regular scissors. So keep that in mind if you decide to do this. And now I have a paper that has a sticky back. It's not sticky yet because I will have to peel this off to make it sticky. So it's not sticky yet, it's still smooth. And I'm gonna lay my die cut over the top of that. Well, actually what I'm gonna do is put my paper down on my magnetic mat, put my die down over the top of it. Now, if you decide that you don't want to cut into your magnetic mat, just do the opposite. Put your die down on the magnetic mat and put your paper over the top. And then put your plastic mat. So that's the only difference for people who cut into their magnetic mat versus people who don't cut into their magnetic mat. Someone asked a while ago, maybe like 2 weeks ago, where do you get the magnetic mat if you decide that you do want to cut into it? And I get it off of annagriffin.com, and she has them for $10. So I just grab a few of them at a time for $10. Okay, so we just cut into that. It comes off. And now we pull back our die and we have our numbers. And they're now sticky. So if I grab this piece of paper and I want the number 1, I'm gonna peel it off and stick it on whatever I want it to be sticky to. So say it's somebody's 13th birthday. And now you have the number 13 stuck to the paper. So that's how you can die cut, how you can use the alphabets, numbers, and punctuation, how you can use the die cut and bond if you so choose to. Now, someone did also ask about the stickiness of the die cut and bond. It is a medium sticky. It's not really super tacky, and once it's down you can pick it up and lift it up. So I'd say that it is a medium adhesive. It's not the strongest thing on the planet. So if you were thinking about picking that up, I got it off of HSN. It is sold out right now, but I just couldn't resist it because the value was amazing, and I've never used this stuff before, so I wanted to try it. But I'd say it's a medium adhesive, not too strong but not too light. It's in the middle. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and do an embossing folder here. I'm gonna use this yellow piece of cardstock. And to do this, all I need are these 2 plastic A plates. Put one down, put my paper on top of it, place the second one down, run it through the machine. And this is what it looks like. And now I'm going to Here's the finished card out of the embossing and die cutting that we did. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was really fun to make. I hope that everyone got some information about die cutting out of it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you later.